Hello students, in this video we are going to learn the extraction of metals, specifically the metals that are in the bottom of the reactivity series. So this is the reactivity series. As I have discussed in an earlier video, in this reactivity series if you go from top to bottom, then the reactivity of the metals decreases. That means the metals at the top of the series are highly reactive and the metals at the bottom of the series is less reactive. So if you look at the table, metals at the bottom are lead, copper, mercury, silver and gold. So these elements or these metals are less reactive. So the properties now, these metals are less reactive, so all of them or most of them exist in the free state, but few form oxides also. Oxide means combination with oxygen. The metals like silver and gold, if you see the series silver, gold, they exist in free state. Other metals, copper, mercury, they form oxides or sulfides. Because they exist in the free state and they are less reactive, their extraction process is very simple and very inexpensive. Now we have to treat one example. We have to treat the example of ore of mercury. Ore of mercury is called cinnabar, formula is HgS. This is the figure of ore of cinnabar. Now we have to learn the extraction process, that means you have to learn the reactions. So if you look at the first reaction, HgS is the ore cinnabar, it is burned in presence of oxygen. Now you have to learn this process in the later class also. If you burn in the presence of oxygen, this is called roasting. As a result of that, HgS is now converted to HgO, that is mercury oxide, right. This oxide now, mercury oxide, is heated and Hg is produced, alright. So HgO becoming Hg is a process of reduction, you have learned in the first chapter, alright. So if you want to know the details, so this HgO has been converted to HgO by roasting, the first thing that you have to understand. After that, this HgO has been converted to Hg, so this oxygen is removed, and we know that removal of oxygen is called reduction. Please bear in mind, to reduce this we have to heat HgO and we get the metal Hg, which is liquid. So that's why you have to see over here the physical state is written as L, alright. So this is the extraction process for mercury. If it comes in exam, you have to write these two reactions and you have to balance them also. Similarly, copper is extracted from copper sulfide Cu2s. This is the figure of the copper ore Cu2s. Now the reaction process for this copper also is given in your textbooks. Please go through the reactions and learn them properly, alright. So in this video we have learned the simple extraction process of the elements at the bottom of the reactivity series. In the next video we are going to learn about the extraction of the metals that are in the middle portion of the reactivity series.